Managing task workflows effectively is one of the key ways to streamline your team's productivity. In this quick guide on how to manage task workflows in teamwork.com, we'll walk you through the essentials that can take your task management from chaotic to efficient. Whether you're new to teamwork or looking to optimize your experience, this video will give you everything you need to manage workflows like a pro. Teamwork.com is an all-in-one project management tool that allows teams to collaborate seamlessly, and task workflows are the backbone of this platform. It helps you organize tasks, set priorities, and track progress, so you never lose sight of what's important. With its intuitive interface, you'll be able to manage your team's workload with ease and efficiency. Start by creating a project. In Teamwork, each project acts as a container for your tasks. You can add a project from the dashboard, name it, and set deadlines. Projects help you group tasks based on specific objectives or timelines, giving you a clear structure for your team's work. Once your project is set up, it's time to break it down into tasks. Tasks are individual action items within your project, and each task can be assigned to team members with specific deadlines. The beauty of Teamwork is its flexibility. Tasks can be assigned priorities, labels, and dependencies. This makes it easier to track what needs attention and in what order. Now, let's dive into the task workflow itself. Teamwork allows you to create custom workflows, helping you automate processes and reduce the need for manual updates. For example, you can set up a system where each task moves through stages like to do, in progress, and completed. These stages can be customized based on your team's needs, and you can even add specific team members to each stage to ensure the right person is handling the right task. One of the most powerful features in Teamwork is the ability to create recurring tasks. This is especially useful for ongoing projects where the same tasks need to be repeated at regular intervals. Set the frequency, and Teamwork will automatically generate new tasks for you. This can save a significant amount of time and ensure that nothing gets overlooked. For collaboration, Teamwork excels with its comment system. Instead of switching between multiple apps or emails, you can keep all your communication right within the task. Each task has a dedicated comment section where team members can discuss the details, share files, and tag each other. This keeps everything centralized and easy to follow. Teamwork also integrates with other popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, allowing you to centralize your workflow even more. You can link documents, chat with your team in real time, and receive notifications when tasks are updated. Tracking progress is another major strength of Teamwork. Use the built-in reporting tools to visualize the status of your tasks and projects. You can pull up progress charts, check task completion rates, and get a snapshot of how the project is moving. This helps you stay on top of deadlines and adjust the workflow when needed. Finally, to optimize the management of task workflows in Teamwork, you can leverage templates. If you find that your team regularly follows the same task steps for similar projects, save these workflows as templates. This way you can quickly replicate workflows, reducing the setup time for new projects. To wrap it up, Teamwork. Com is an incredible tool for managing task workflows and boosting your team's productivity. Whether you're handling simple to-do lists or complex project management, it offers the tools you need to streamline processes and improve collaboration. Plus, you can try it for free through the exclusive link below and get access to special bonuses. With Teamwork, you can take control of your tasks, eliminate confusion, and start seeing real progress. So don't wait to start using it today. Be sure to check the first link in the description for an extended free trial, giving you all the features to explore. Start managing your workflows smarter with Teamwork.